Hi there, me again. Still fixing these issues in the GenEd 500 shell. So first I want to just explain part of the issues that there's so many technical difficulties or just errors with material is that this course was developed for 14 weeks and we've just tried to convert it, including all the information, making the shell as accessible and as transferable as possible. But of course, there are going to be some things that show up that do not that are not properly fixed, and therefore, because all the material has been transferred to most faculty shells already, these videos are just helping to provide some details on how best to correct any errors that you find. So the most recent error that has been pointed out is in the grades. So I'm just going to the grades book right here in the faculty shell to just show you one area that needs to be fixed. And that's in the discussion point. So if you notice from the outline of the discussion board, the discussion is worth 30 marks each, 20 marks for the original response and 10 marks for the follow-up response. So in here where it says max points, it should reach 30. It should read 30. So I'm just going to fix it for all of the ones here. I fixed it for social analysis, so now it does say 30. And now I'm going to do it for the other ones. So all you do is go to the post, the title of the post, hit edit, and from the edit, simple, it's simple, the same way that you had set up your grade book for your face-to-face courses. I just want to make sure that everybody understands that they can easily change it. So I'm going to save and close. So I've done that for media literacy. I'm now going to do it for identity and values. So again, hitting this little drop-down box, you go to edit. From edit, you hit max points is 30 and save and close. And then this last one. So again, you will find different issues because we changed the grading scheme. So for example, we've changed the discussion board, we've removed the self-reflection. So there might be some, I think that we've gotten all the inconsistencies, but just in case anybody else finds them. So we know that there's some broken links that we can fix now. We also know that if there's any inconsistencies with some of the material, that they also can be fixed. It'll be really important for faculty just to provide guidelines for their students, especially if they're having any issues with some of the material that's posted that might not reflect the 13-week because it was, written for the 14-week course. Another example of that would be the video links. So we changed the weeks in order to compress everything into 13 weeks. So for example, we are doing week 2 in week 1, right? So that is another issue that we will see, and I could just sort of show that here. So if we go to week 2, we are doing week 2 in week 1. However, if you go to the video lesson right here in the social analysis bar, and you sort of look at the video that is created, it says week 3, even though in the 13-week course, this is actually week 1 or week 2. And so some of these things are going to be off as well. And so just providing this information for your students in the beginning would be very helpful just so that people are not confused. The last thing, as mentioned on the news feature by Paula, is that I will be doing over the introduction video. And the introduction video, I believe, is here in week 1. Or actually, sorry, it is not in week 1. It is in orientation here. Welcome to the course. This video. So week 1, introduction to the course. I'm going to be redoing this so that we can include some more information. Some other faculty suggested more details as well, like in terms of, giving students a prompt in terms of introducing themselves to their groups. All of this stuff is really what we need to make sure we get the students clear on from the start of the course. So I will be doing that. So stay tuned. This week we'll try to get everything ready so that it is prepared for March 26th delivery. But yes, there will be some inconsistencies because of this transfer over. Faculty are encouraged to fix things that they can fix themselves. And if you find any major inconsistencies that is not like a broken link or something simple that can't be fixed, please let us know.